Hey guys, today we're going to be working with prices and discount rates. So I know that a discount means that is going to be money taken away. So let's just look at this first one. I have a pair of shoes that cost $60. The discount rate is 10%. That means that these shoes are going to be 10% off the original price of $60. So what I need to do first is figure out what 10% of 60 is. And we worked on this last week. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take 10 and I'm going to multiply it by 60. If you do that, which I'm not going to do for you because you worked on that last week, you should get 6. Now, does that mean the shoes cost $6? No, that's not reasonable for shoes to be 60 and then you only have to pay $6 for them. But I know that discount means money taken away. So I'm going to go back to my original price of 60 and I'm going to take away 6. If I do that, turn that to a 10, turn that to a 5, I'm left with 54. So the new price of these shoes after the discount is $54. Let's do another one. All right, let's say I had a bike that cost $125, but there was a discount of 15%. And again, discount means money taken away. So the first thing I need to do is figure out what 15% of 125 is. And the way I'm going to do that is turn 15% to a decimal, scoop, scoop, becomes 0.15, and I'm going to multiply it by 125. This one I'll actually work out for you. 125 times 0.5. And again, I'm going to ignore that decimal point until the end. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Scratch out my carries, 0 placeholder. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2, and then 1 times 1 is 1. Now we're just going to add straight down. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8, and bring down my 1. Now, go back to your decimal. I see that there are two numbers behind the decimal point, so I'm going to scoop my decimal at the back in twice. Boom, boom. My discount is going to be $18.75. And again, remember, that's not how much the bike costs. That's how much money we're going to take away. So let me go ahead and erase some of this to make it nicer for y'all. Give me 1 second. All right, so I'm going to go back to my original price of $125, and I'm going to subtract $18.75, and make sure that you line up your decimals so it looks like that. And I'm not going to subtract this for you guys. You guys should be able to do this on your own. But if I take 125 and I subtract $18.75, I'm going to get $106.25. And that is the new price of the bike. $106.25. Let's do one more, then you'll practice. All right, let's say I had a shirt that cost $57 with a discount of 17%. So I'm going to take 57, and I know that I need to figure out what 17% of 57 is, so I'm going to turn 17% to a decimal by scooping 2 times to the left, and I'm going to multiply that by my price. 57 times 0.17, you're going to come out with $9.69. Now again, that is not how much the shirt costs now. That's how much money we're taking away from the original price. I'm going to go back to my original price. And again, you have to line up your decimals. There's an invisible decimal at the back of 57. And again, this is money that I am taking away. If you do that, you're left with 47.31. 47.31. And that is the new price of the shirt after the discount of 17%. All right, guys, let's try it.